Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, folks, we got some breaking news. An unbelievable event taking place right now in the North Pole. Massive hurricane is headed toward the North Pole. It's forcing the Atlantic storm to push mild air toward the North Pole. Matter of fact, it's incredible. They've had winds of 90 miles an hour. This gigantic powerhouse winter storm is charging through the North Atlantic right now and promises to flood the high Arctic with abnormal mild air. The Arctic temperatures have blown past previous record highs in recent months, and this surge of warm air is just the latest in a long series that has been amazing. Scientists, according to reports, this is the fourth time this year the North Pole may near the melting point this winter. Previously, this is such a rare event that they don't even keep it. All right. I mean, they do, but it's so rare they don't even discuss it. It's just too rare. It just doesn't happen. 4 times already? The textbook coma-shaped hurricane storm is sprawling, and the northern part of its core is near the southern tip of Greenland right now, while its trailing front extends southward almost to the tropics. So this is really made. On Sunday, they had winds of over 90 miles an hour. It is headed to the North Pole. It is bringing unseasonably high warm air, and something's causing this. Now, there is some accounts that potentially Planet X, that Planet 7X or Nibiru, planet number 9, call it what you want to, a binary system, call it whatever you want to. But the gravitational pull and the pressures that are coming upon the earth from the 5 waves of energy, which are being caused by Planet X itself, is causing incredible extreme weather conditions around the globe and unheard of apocalyptic type weather events. Chile just had record wildfires, the worst in the history of that nation. They even their president called them cataclysmic. We're seeing now these incredibly warm weather hurricane headed to the North Pole. New Orleans last night hit with a dozen tornadoes. One was a F2 ripping the roofs off of houses. It's a miracle nobody was killed. It's just because of the blood of Jesus and the prayers that all you folks were praying. 25 people were injured, but man, I'm telling you, this is unbelievable. A ton of damage down there. February, tornadoes, New Orleans? Are you serious? And we know that there's been unprecedented rainfall, flooding, landslides, mudslides, feet and feet and feet and feet of snow and inches of rain, healing the drought-stricken state of California this winter. It's been incredible. It's going to be long-term. It's a blessing. It has done some damage, though. There are some folks, I even got contacted. There's some people, because of the landslides, are trapped in the mountains out there in California. The roads for them to get down to get supplies cut off by the mudslides, and nobody's coming to break open the road for them because they're so remote. Now, there's some folks who can need our prayers, and I actually heard from people that are saying, "Pastor, just want you to know, I mean, we can't. Nobody's ever come to clear the road because hardly anybody lives up those." And so it's low on the priority list. I'm just telling you, there's been extreme weather conditions, weird stuff. Is Planet X causing it? I'm going to put a link below. There's an article, very fascinating, by the Washington Post talking about this actual storm. But also, there's a YouTube channel that's covering this, does a good job. Nibiru Planet X 2016. Doing a good job covering this. I'm actually going to put the link to that video on here as well. Check it all out, guys. But the something biblical is going on here with the signs of the second coming of Christ. Give your life to Jesus Christ, folks. We are running out of time.